Hi everybody, it's Tana here from Textdrip, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to navigate our contacts page and how to get the most out of it. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to go ahead and go to my Textdrip account here. So to get to the actual contacts page, we're going to go to the left-hand side and click where it says contacts. Now, if you're looking for someone, just type in their name in the search bar. Very easy. But if you want to get a little more detail, let's go ahead and hit advanced search. Well, from here, you can always search by tags, search by campaign, file, exclude tags, date range, pipelines, phone number, sorting. And if you go to status, you can actually go to the drop-down box. And from here, you can check all, active, archives, opt-out, blocked, DNC rejected, landline contacts, litigator contacts, and landline DNC contacts. Now, did you know you can add multiple people to a campaign by using your tags? Well, let's go ahead and search by tags. Let's search by, for an example, let's do the tag quoted. Let's type that in here and let's click on search. From here, it's going to bring up everybody that you actually quoted a price to. Now, if you want to add everybody you quoted a price to a campaign, only thing you have to do is click on add to campaign. Everybody that got that tag that is less than 5,000, you can actually add them all to a drip campaign. If you just want to add everybody to a campaign from this page, then click here on the gray box next to name. And if you want to exclude anybody, then go ahead and exclude those contacts from here. Now, if you also want to get into how to actually sort your contacts a little bit better, you can always click here on the sorting box and just select the drop-down box to easily resort all your contacts to make things a little bit more easier and simple for you. Now, from here, you can also click on the gray actions box. And from here, if you like, you can also import contacts directly through here from a CSV file. You can also add your contacts in manually. You can also export, add people to pipelines, delete, or also request a lead request too as well. And directly through our contacts page, you can also add your customers right into a drip campaign. It's really easy. You're going to go in and just select the contacts that you want, and then click on add to campaign. Once you click on add to campaign, you're going to go in and you're going to find that campaign. From here, you're going to select the phone number you would like for their messages to come from, and then click on add to campaign. Really, really easy. Now, let's get into some more details about your customers. From here, once you click on the gray box, you can add a tag, add a pipeline, add them to a power dialer, or delete. Now, you can also customize this a little bit more by selecting customers one at a time. So you can also go in and just select the customers that you want, that you are looking for, to actually use the different options here at the top. Now, let's get into some more details about any of our contacts. Well, if you click on the plus sign, you're going to see additional information here. From here, you can see exactly where they came from. You can see their last campaign, address, city, state, zip code, and also any of the 5 custom fields to here as well. You can also call our customers right from the contact page. You can also see their birthday. You can see any tags about a customer, any pipelines that they're at, if they're inside a bucket. And then from here, you can also send them a direct message. You can also leave personal internal notes for any of your contacts too as well. Now, if we click on the purple action here, from here, you can actually edit any contact. You can also delete a contact, add a tag, add them to a pipeline, or also add them to a power dialer pipeline too as well. So I want you to get in there, explore our contacts page, and make sure you're getting the most out of your Textdrip account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. However, for more information and more details about contacts, you can always book a demo, click on the help tabs, or go to textdrip.com. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.